Good morning, everybody. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing well. So today, I've been staining my worktops again. It's a bugger to get off. This is Tunisian. I think I've done a couple of these before. I love the design though. Very sexy. So first of all, we're going to punch a hole in it. Nothing changes there, does it? That's -1 today. It was +3 yesterday. The old snow started to melt a little bit, but it's frozen again. Great for slipping over, as I did the other day. Right. Up to Lady Red. If you're looking for a custom ring, give me a shout. I'll happily make you one. Right. That Kevin, the guy I made that big ring for, he liked it. I haven't posted it off to him yet, and I said that's it, I'm not doing any more, and he sent me this lovely email, very persuasive email. He wants me to do, he sent me 3 coins, he wants me to do another one the same bloody size. So if you're watching this, Kev, thank you so much. But I won't be doing it because I didn't think I was going to be able to go to the UK on Thursday because my hand is still swollen a lot. I had to open up the strap on my watch, but I can close it a bit. It's still a load of water in there, whatever it is, but it's working. And I'll take some painkillers, but yeah, I think by Thursday I should be able to go to the UK. Because I booked all the tickets and the trains and everything, so I thought, oh, Jesus wept. It did happen once before. I can't see my friends, and for some reason I couldn't make it. Okay, the flights are pretty cheap. But that ain't the point, is it? You know, you've got your flights and then the trains. You book them all before. But it looks like I can go. I still have to be careful with it. But at least it's usable. Just about. So I show this a bit of love with burning. That should do the job. Right, let's break out dimples. And obviously we want this design face side up on the ring. So this can go face down. And that one's better. And we're going to do a little bit of a squeeze. Right, let's nip over to Big Red. Give it a bit of love. So now we want one of these 17-degree folding dice. That's too small. That's just right. Got it nice and level. All right. I give it another little bit of a squeeze. Yeah, I'm looking forward to going to the UK on Thursday. I'll try to go once a year, see my friends, you know, drink some decent beer and stuff like that. Because the beer here is pretty sad, it's all lager, you know. You just want to make sure there's no little cracks forming. That looks pretty good. Right, I'll just warm it up again and I'll be back. Okay, that's re-annealed. Now go over to spike, my ring stretcher. It's just averages up a bit. Looking to get the bow out of it. There's not much of a bow there now. Yeah, it's just cone shaped now. So now we could go down to the bottom end of the spike. And these are reduction dies. And you're just looking to straighten up the walls to make it into a ring. Touch more, just a touch. There you go, nice straight walls. Right, let's break out Cape Bush. This is just quad zero steel wool on the end of this. It just gets the fire scale off, touch it up a bit. Right, let's put a bit of polish on it. I'll stick in Felton John. It's supposed to start getting cold again next week. Like super cold. Minus 15, minus 18. But it's totally different. It's a dry cold. It's quite bearable, believe it or not. If you'd like to subscribe, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video. If you hit that, stuff happens. Right, let's see what we got. I hope I don't get affected by the troubles going on in London at the moment, all these protests, and it doesn't affect the trains, hopefully. a slightly cleaner cloth. And there you go. Lovely design, eh? Right, what size we got? Luckily there's no lip in these coins, it's good. This is a size 10 1/4. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Thanks for watching. It fits this finger absolutely perfectly. If you want to hit the like button, I'd appreciate it. I could do some love. And I'll see you in the next episode. You lot can have this. Have it.